Welcome, I'm Yannick from We4IT and today I'll show you how to transfer your emails from Outlook to Microsoft Teams with MAILISSA. To do so, we open MAILISSA via the status bar in the Outlook client or the web app and select Microsoft Teams as our target application. Now you have the possibility to publish the emails in the Teams channel or as a PDF file. Alternatively, you can also transfer only attachments of the email. Next, select Team and Channel for the transfer. Optionally, you can mention members of the team in the new post. Simply click on Transfer and the transmission is complete. Now I will show you how the transmission looks like in Microsoft Teams. As you can see here, the email has been posted in the selected channel and is now visible to the team. The previously selected mention is shown in red at the beginning of the email. Under Files, I will now show you the exemplary transmission of the email as a PDF file. With MAILISSA, you can also directly select the target folder in your Teams directory and place it in the desired file location. The transfer of Outlook mails to Microsoft Teams can be as simple as this. You can find more information on our website.